so today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This was actually my recreation of a makeup look I saw on TikTok the other day from this fantastic, I don't know if she's a makeup artist, but she is so good. Her name on TikTok is Makeup WLP, and I just recently discovered her and she's insane. Her makeup looks are next level, and when I saw her do this look with this palette, I had to recreate it. I had to try it for myself, and this is how it turned out. It didn't turn out exactly like hers. Hers is prettier, but I love this icy cold, almost like snow fairy kind of makeup. I think it's so pretty and perfect for this time of year. I love it so much, and you guys definitely need to go check her out. Follow her on TikTok. She's so good. This palette is also so good. This is the new Huda Beauty Icy Nude palette, and typically I don't wear colors like this. I am such a warm tone gal. Cool tones I feel like don't look good on me. I just don't think that my skin tone, I'm not a cool tone girl, but this look is so pretty to me. I love it, and I feel like you can definitely make it probably a little bit more wearable without all that avalanche in the front, but I think that's what makes this look so nice. I love that like snow-kissed look. Anyway, if you guys want to see me recreate this makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm actually gonna start off with real primer. I usually just use concealer, but I'm gonna go in with my PLouise makeup base in the shade Rumour 2. And this is gonna give us a nice, smooth, even canvas for all the eyeshadow I'm putting on. Okay, starting off with the shade Lavish. This is gonna go in my crease. Now I'm going to take High Life and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Just working this color in the outer corners and in the crease and building it up. Now I'm going in with Poised and doing the same thing. With that same brush, I'm going into Oneself. Honestly, you could use the same brush for all these steps. I'm just adding some of this on the inner corners here, like she did. Not really bringing this shade on the outer corners at all, just buffing it right here. Okay, now I'm going in with a more precise blending brush, and I'm taking Faux Fur on just the outer corners and taking it into my crease a little bit. I'm not gonna like cut my crease or anything, but just put some on the back of my hand. Now I'm going to take the white Avalanche shade in the palette and I'm going to pack that right on top of the concealer. I'm also gonna bring that white shade into my inner corners, and we're gonna exaggerate this and make it a little bit more white after I do my under eyes and my base and all that. Okay, really quickly, I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face before I finish up the eyes. And I just primed my face with my Tower 28 SOS Serum. And for foundation, I'm going in with my Beauty Blender Bounce Skin Tint, my Holy Grail foundation that I thought was being discontinued, but it isn't. However, I am gonna mix in a little bit of this MAC Strobe Dewy Skin Tint to give my skin a little bit more glow. Okay, now I'm going in with concealer. I'm using the NATASHA DENONA one. Okay, going back into Avalanche, I'm just gonna intensify the white. Gonna bring it a little bit underneath here to kind of like make it look extra white. Like we are frozen, girl. Look at that icy snow just collecting on my inner corners. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into Faux Fur and use this as a liner. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of She's Rich and deepen the outer corners here. Okay, I didn't realize I wasn't recording and I kind of kept going, but all I did was apply some poise to my lower lash line and emphasize the white just a little bit more. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade Diamond Dew and I'm going to blend this between my fingers so it can create a more fine shimmer and not have it come off so chunky. And I'm going to pat that on the center. And when you do this, it honestly applies it so finely milled and it looks like such a pretty sparkle. Because if you go straight into that Diamond Dew, it will come off chunky, so make sure to do this. Trust me, it's a good trick. Oh, I love that. I'm not sure it really comes off on camera, but in person, it's such a pretty sparkle. In her little tutorial, she used Pixie Liquid Fairy on her inner corners, but I do not have that, so I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Disco Queen Liquid Eyeshadow. And this isn't super icy, there is some color to it. There's like little pink and blue shimmer, but I just want to add a little bit of this. I am obsessed with this Diamond Dew shade. Usually the glitters in this kind of palette, like this one in Bling, I don't like this glitter. It's a very, not like diamondy glitter, I don't love it. This one is really, really pretty. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more of that to the inner corners. Okay, I'm going to tightline with this black eyeliner. And I believe the false lashes that she's wearing has this like white strip on it, and it kind of looks like she's wearing white eyeliner. Unless she is wearing white eyeliner and didn't show it in her video. But I'm going to skip that step because I'm scared. I don't think I can do it so well or pull it off. So I'm just gonna go right into lashes. And I've actually never tried these lashes before. These are the Velour-Xtensions Self-Stick Lash Kit. It's one of those lashes that you put on from underneath, but I haven't tried these specifically. Okay, I'm gonna go in with mascara in a second, but I am gonna take this Milani Stay Put white eyeliner and I'm gonna add some to the inner corners. Actually, you know what? I'm scared. I'm gonna do it with white eyeliner. Small forgiving. Yes. I'm using the Milk Cosmetics Slick Waterline Eye Pencil in Milkweed. Speaking of milk, if you still have your NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in milk, bust that out for this. Oh my gosh. That was like such a cult product back in the day. And then just intensifying that avalanche right on top. For mascara, I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl Lash Blast and just hit up those lashes that I didn't add any falsies. I didn't put any falsies to like the inner corners. I'm just trying to blend it all together. Okay, eyes are finally done. I feel like I've been sitting here for hours. I'm gonna take the Saie bronzer in Sand. This is their Dew bronzer, and I'm going to use this to contour. I love this brush for so many things. Cream and powder, it's so good. I love it. It's from ILIA. It's their sculpting brush. I bought it at Sephora. Love it. This bronzer adds so much glow to the skin. It's a very dewy kind of contour, which I do like. I literally cannot stop singing the J-Lo song in my head. Because this makeup look reminds me of the music video. Which, by the way, that song is unhinged. The lyrics to that song, pride is what you had, baby girl, and what you have. What a weirdo. It's like the whole song is about her leaving because he keeps cheating on her. And he's like, it's no big deal, baby. Come over here and cuddle me. I'm bouncing and I'm out, son. This isn't a full-on like chiseled out contour. It's more of a natural glowy contour. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Nars cream bronzer in Laguna 2, which is the original Laguna. I don't know why they couldn't just make it Laguna 1. And I'm going to add a little bit more. This Nars bronzer is so pigmented. I love it. Guys, I don't have like a monitor whenever I do my makeup. I am so old school. I need help. I need better lighting. I need a better camera. I need a better mic. Like I've been using the same shit since I started my channel 5,000 years ago. And I need serious help. If anybody can like steer me in the right direction, like a channel, somebody who can show me the ropes or like has videos on it, please leave the YouTubers in the comments below. Because I need to upgrade my situation. And since I don't have a monitor, I literally just see this through the viewfinder. I can't tell if I'm blurry or not because I can't see very well. I never wear my glasses, but I do have glasses. And I'm looking at the viewfinder, I'm like, I think I look blurry. But I don't know if that's just my vision. Anyway, for blush, I'm gonna go in with Piggy because she also used Piggy. And the Rhode blushes are my favorite blushes ever, so why not? I'm gonna take a little bit of this Forever Glow Maximizer by DIOR. It's their pink one. And I'm gonna highlight the tippy tops of my cheekbones with this. I am gonna go over it with a more intense like whitish highlight, but I really love that this has like that light pink kind of angelic snow angel baby kind of vibe. Okay, I'm gonna take my hydration complexion trio from Alamar Cosmetics and I'm gonna use the shade Rise and Grind to kind of brighten up this area. And then I'm going to flip my brush over. I'm using the Makeup by Mario F2 and I'm gonna go into the bronzer in this and just add that on top. I'm gonna add a touch more of that blush. This powder is great for a really bright under eye because it has a little bit of a sheen to it without having like shimmer. So good. Okay, so my camera was about to die, so I put it to charge for a little while. And while that was charging, I just added some freckles to my face. Some minimal freckles. I'm gonna take the Rare Beauty and Lighten highlighter. This one is their Icy White. It does have a slightly gold undertone. I'm only gonna use a little bit of this right on the tippy tips of my nose to create that frosty look to my Cupid's bow. And a little bit on my cheekbones. Like right there in the center, like a little. Do I want to add more blush? I do. I do, I do, I do. Just a little fault of a blush right here. Right here. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so going in with the Anastasia lip liner in Deep Taupe. You know what's funny on Sephora, when you look up Anastasia Deep Taupe, it pulls up another lip liner that is described as a deep taupe. The lip liner is called Cool Brown and it's described as a deep taupe. And then Deep Taupe is called Deep Taupe, but it's described as a soft beige brown. I mean, it doesn't matter, I just thought it was interesting. And then putting on the Huda Beauty She Glitzy lip gloss on top. And she is glitzy. Oh my god. Oh, I love how these smell. I love this shade, it's so pretty. Gonna set my makeup. And yeah, that completes this makeup look. I really like how it came out. It honestly doesn't look like hers. I think I packed on too much eyeshadow. She was like blending everything so effortlessly. I think the eyes could have been like not so precise, I guess, but I really like how it turned out. But okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. It's giving winter wonderland and I love it. Yeah guys, let me know if you recreate her makeup look like I did. I think it's really fun and icy and cool, and yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.